How to open or create Telegram account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can open or create your Telegram account. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile device. Then you have to search for Telegram, and if you have already installed your Telegram on your device, then there is no need to be install it. So if you haven't installed it, then you have to install your Telegram on your device. After that, you have to go for open, and here you can see that Telegram, the old fastest messaging app, it is free and secure. Go for start messaging. So here you have to select your country, and on the phone number you have to write your phone number. After that, you will be logging to your account, and you will create your Telegram new account like that by putting your number on your Telegram account. So after that, how to use your Telegram account. So to use your Telegram account, you have to go for the upper left three bar option and go for the my profile option. Then here you can go for your edit profile, and you have to edit your name, and also you can add your personal channel, and you have to write your bio yourself. Here you have to add your birthday date. After that, you can set a profile picture here. Then you can change the profile color too. It will require the Telegram premium on your Telegram app. So you can set your username to here. So that's the process how to create or open the Telegram account in your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.